Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Alright, man, we're getting right into this one right away. Now, before I get into the whole explanation, I do want to say within this video, this is unlike what we've done in the past with this series. We will be purchasing a piece off ICEBOX within the video, and you guys are going to see by the end of the video what we purchased. And then when it comes in the mail, we'll unbox it, see how it looks. We don't usually do that. Usually we leave it to a surprise for the unboxing video. Oh, and also, if you guys want to give a thumbs up and comment down below if you like this series. This series actually cost me like quite a bit more money than I make off each video, so give a thumbs up and comment down below if you guys want to continue. Obviously that shares it to more people, we get more money, so we can put it more into this series. Alright, man, so if you guys haven't seen this series, you want a little update, what we do is we buy jewelry off of pretty much the most expensive websites in the world. These jewelers are absolute like world class, bro. All our favorite rappers shop there pretty much, right 6ix9ine?
That's the new piece.
What a guy. I love that dude. So the reason I split the series into two videos, one, we go shopping online, pick out our piece, which once again, the piece will be known today. And then two, we unbox it. Reason we do that is because it's a lot of money for this website. And I'm gonna be shopping online anyway. I'd rather shop online with you guys, put a video out there, and then also put another one out. It also gets my money up a little bit, so I make a little bit of money back off of these big purchases. It makes the series like actually still stay alive. So without further ado, we're shopping ICEBOX again. I know y'all are thinking, bro, you did it before. I feel like I screwed y'all on the last one. If you haven't checked it out, pretty much we unboxed something from ICEBOX that I really didn't read up a lot on. I was trying to buy something mad cheap, and it was like a $300 bracelet that didn't even say ICEBOX on it. That's the main thing I want with buying something off ICEBOX. I want the actual ICEBOX stamp. Anyway, we unboxed it. It was mad small. It was made for a toddler, and this is what I got off ICEBOX, bro. Oh god, now I'm looking at, I can't even fit that on my wrist. This is supposed to be I gotta chill. This is supposed to be a bracelet. It is for a f***ing toddler. It was the worst, so I thought we'd do another one for you guys and set a budget this time of around $1,000. So that's what we're trying to spend today. We're gonna hop on the computer, we're gonna shop it together, and hopefully we pick out a really cool piece, and then we'll unbox it when it comes in the mail. That's pretty much all we gotta say about it. Alright boys, we're on it. ICEBOX it is. Now once again, our goal, around $1,000. It needs to be a lot sicker than the last one, and if possible, I want to get something with an ICEBOX stamp on it. So like, I obviously don't want this, but I just want to see the options, because I feel like with ICEBOX, they don't even show the back, bro. I feel like to the certain buyer, because obviously I'm spending so much more money than I did. Like, this thing is awful. Look how big that is. I'm spending a lot more than I need to on, oh, it's in Canadian too. You know, I'm in Canada. This is sweet. I like this website. Anyway, this piece right here would be so much more or less money, a horrible grammar, than anything else if it wasn't from ICEBOX. So I want to have that stamp on it. Also, you guys kind of like stories and videos. I got a short one. It's kind of inappropriate most of the time because we're talking about some D-rinks, but I could give you one of those. Gotta do these live stream, man. I just thought about that. Then you guys can be like, oh, get that one. Okay, first things first, we looked at this last time, says ICEBOX, I think it's really dope. This is the problem. If that was a little bit bigger, bro, not the size of my freaking wiener, you know what I mean? Like, that's like half a fingernail. I got an innie, but not that big of an innie, you know what I mean? Anyway, if it wasn't like, that would be a hit piece right there. But once again, we're gonna be buying something within this video. I haven't looked at anything yet to prepare for this, so I don't really know. Like, we got like a 10-minute time limit on this, boys. $2,600. Is that a ring? Let's go! Oh, that's sick! I just think it's kind of ballin' to have ICEBOX on you. It's like, if you know, you know. And I'm a cool guy for it. 14 karat gold. We got SI diamonds. What's that take? Okay, 2,798. I probably actually, but that's not in our budget. For two videos, once again, once I unbox this, it doesn't make much sense if I just like freaking spend $2,600 on two videos. You know what I mean? Oh, dang, I want that, man. That's so sick. Keeping the budget, Brian. Unless you guys get a lot of love on this, maybe I could purchase something in this video and like exchange it, but you guys gotta really do the thumbs up. Pennants, I don't really want their pennants, bro. They're so small. It's like everything's just so like custom. $390 and up. Oh, so $390 for one letter, I bet. Let's do brand. How much? Risen brand. Add to cart. How much would that be? Oh, brand's gonna be $1,500, $1,600 bucks. We got a new pendant coming in, by the way, boys. It's a lot bigger than that. VS diamonds. Oh man, it's gonna be nuts. Yeah, we can't do that. Okay, we'll just add things to the cart. All right, quick story for y'all. Grade 12 grad. I haven't told this one yet. Back in grade 12 grad, when I was going like in Canada where we are, let's just keep searching here because we do have a time limit to actually buy something. This is what makes we're not going to bracelets again. Accessories, no. Necklaces, frick, we'll try necklaces. I'm stressed now, bro. You gotta be kidding. Anyway, grade 12 grad in Canada. It was like, we had like this party pretty much at the end where there was alcoholic beverages there for like adults that were there and stuff like that. And we all get in a room with the classmates, da 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 da. And then, but before all that, we like go in a room with like our parents and stuff, and like we just like watch like grade 12 things, you know, it was our graduation. First off, I got kicked out of that whole thing, almost, because they caught me with a backpack with like a ton of booze in it. Like I had a couple 2.6s in it. I don't know what you call that in America. I guess like 40s. No, that's not 40s. I don't know. They're 26 ounces. I got kicked out of that. My grandparents had to talk to them, let me back in. Long story short, the reason I was doing that is I guess I was like a real big partier. Also, like my mom at the time, let's go rings. You know, it's not as much gold on them as the necklace. What is this? 700, okay, so it's on our budget. I don't want it though. I don't want a knife on my freaking finger. What am I, Jason Voorhees? It does have the ICEBOX though. That's what we're looking at. Once again, if at one point I don't want this thing, this stamp right here on eBay, to the right buyer, I might actually get a little bit more of my money back than most places would. 14 karat gold. So we're getting there. There are rings. Let's see if they have more styles of rings. Anyway, so I was a partier back then. Just like my mom, I guess, because my mom, before I went to grade 12 grad, we got an AK1 right here. She was like, Bram, I like, on my grade 12 grad, I guess they did the same thing where they have like some drinks and stuff. She's like, I woke up in a tent. I had no idea where I was, so I guess her like that because of my grade 12 grad. Long story short, I had way too many. I had to be picked up and carried out. And I guess when my mom came, I was like flipping down an escalator, literally on my back, throwing pamphlets. I don't know where those came from. I don't remember any of this. Screaming 2013 grad, which wasn't even my grad year. So there's a lot more details there that I'm leaving out. But anyway, Brian got a little more than he needed to that night. Keeping it kind of PG. ICEBOX on this one too. What do you guys think about that? Leave comments down below. I keep looking at pictures. I'm not a guy. I can't say that. I'm not a guy with like that really cares about that stuff. But it is cool. It's ICEBOX. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They got like 25 diamonds on that at least. I think we're gonna have to stick with rings. Because I remember when we were searching with last time, bracelet isn't gonna cut it, necklace isn't gonna cut it. Oh, right here. Let's do rings. Okay, so we actually have a budget here. Let's go low to high. Oh, it already looks like it is. We got an eye. We got a star. That's for chicks probably. I don't know, that's weird. It's like we got a regular, oh, I don't even have my jewelry on. We got our regular stuff, but we gotta make a decision here. We gotta make a purchase. I swear it's gonna be a better one. And if we get a lot of likes, a lot, like I'm talking like if it's over like 5,000 likes, I'm gonna just return what we get in this video because we need something over $1,000. And that's a, no. I thought that, let's go! $586. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times 12, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. That's 30 diamonds on this. It says ICEBOX, not on the back, but it says ICEBOX. This is exactly what I kind of want. We're adding that to the cart 100%. I can't think of anything else that I would like more than that within the price range. $586. They have over $100 shipping to Canada. Do they have my size? Holy shoot. That's what's happening. We're going, you guys let me know down below if I get like a lot of rough feedback on this. I won't get this ring. I'm not gonna check out right now, but I'm gonna buy it tonight. And it's gonna come up to about $750, $800 after all the shipping and stuff like that. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. This is another episode of Shopping with Bran. Buying some stuff that like we probably shouldn't be buying because we're probably not gonna get our money back, but that's fine. I'm fine with it. To entertain y'all, I'm down. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you guys want the series to continue. let it happen by doing that. And also, man, wait for it. I'm gonna purchase this right after I'm done editing, and we'll wait for it to come in the mail. 46 weeks it says, so that sucks a lot. I didn't know that. I guess they custom make it because not a lot of people want it. It's way too much money. Appreciate y'all for watching. Merc the Game, the greatest of all time. Let me know if you really do dig these computer videos though, because I feel like they could be kind of boring. I just talk the whole time when we look at things, but if not, you know, if it works for you, then that's dope. I really appreciate that because I like to just chill. Okay, blah.